Gandalf the White because it was so dark over there that I turned up, and then over here it's like blinding.
My platinum blonde hair. Ooh, the glasses.
So it is our 2-year anniversary of uploading videos to YouTube. We actually had started making the videos before that, but 2 years ago was when I uploaded the first video.
What we're going to do today is make a cup. So what we're going to do, instead of carving this out into a cup, because this is really hard maple, we're going to burn it out.
So,
Great day.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's been a really incredible year since last year.
It has. It was exciting right from the start.
Yeah.
Every comment, every subscriber, our hearts pounded, and
Yeah.
yeah, it's still that way.
Last year when we did our 1-year anniversary, we had 365 subscribers, so
Nice.
which we thought was amazing because
Who'd have thunk it?
actually it was kind of cool when there were like 12 subscribers. But the last we checked about an hour ago, we had 1,653, I think. And it's climbing by the minute. So
Yeah, it is.
thank you all for subscribing
And
or watching,
gotta know we love doing it and sharing with you guys.
hearing from you, hearing ideas for what you want to see. It's also been really cool to send some stuff to some other YouTubers.
Brian from Stockman Original had contacted me and said that he wanted to make me a new shuttle. True.
Hobbiton Piper Kevin here, coming to you from the heartland of America in Missouri. I am a big fan of a YouTube channel called Stockman Original. Oh man.
Be part of this community
Yes.
of originals.
We're all originals.
Here's to you.
Here's to you. Two.
I thought we were going all the way on that one.
Oh, no.